what's up everybody? Jeremy from Outpost Vans here, bringing you another van tour, one of our latest builds. Right behind me is a Sprinter 144. It's brand new, a 2021. We'll start with the outside here. We wanted to keep it a little more stealth, so we've put just 2 windows on the outside, T-vent windows on the driver and passenger side. Up on the roof, we've got a 350 watt solar panel and a max air fan, so this guy can live off-grid all the time. Let's jump inside. So jumping right into the interior, the first thing you'll notice is we've actually extended the subfloor over here and added this powder-coated aluminum step here. This is great for additional storage, putting anything like dirty shoes. You really want to utilize as much space as you can, and that's a great way to get some extra storage. Next thing is bench seating for 2. This is really nice. You've got lots of storage under here as well. This is all framed out with aluminum. We've got our Lagoon table on a swivel here. Nice hardwood trim. We've got a 2-gang outlet, so that way you can use this as a workstation, charge up your laptop, any other items you want to do. So really nice there. And this hardwood is all maple hardwood. Came out really nice. Another item we installed in the van here is the Webasto diesel heater. This is actually the Evo 55 model, so this works great at higher altitudes. Some of the ones you see out there don't really work once you get past a certain elevation, not with this one. So this is great for heating up the van. You can also actually blow cool air through here as well to get a little extra ventilation. So one thing that really catches your eye here right away is the Dometic refrigerator. This is a stainless steel face. It's 4.8 cubic foot. It's also 12 volt, so it's really high efficient, nice and energy saving. Open it up here and show you guys. So lots of room, lots of storage. Actually has a freezer compartment, so that's a nice luxury to have out on the road. You can keep things like ice cubes, ice cream, from some frozen food even. Lots of storage, super nice refrigerator. We went with full cabinetry in this build all the way across the driver's side. This is maple hardwood with stainless steel marine slam latches. And these are all on gas struts, so they'll open by themselves. Really nice. It's also framed with aluminum, which is bolted into the van. So this upper cabinet is really nice and secure. We went with an induction cooktop in this build, single burner. When you're using induction, you want to make sure you size your electrical system accordingly. We went with a 300 amp hour battery bank and a 3000 watt inverter to make sure this thing stays powered. So we've got a nice flush mount stainless steel sink here with a cutting board inset. What's really nice about the sink in this galley is that it actually has hot water at the sink. To do that, we have an electric hot water heater installed. So all you need to do, turn on your inverter, hit the time you want to heat the hot water, flip the switch, and you're ready to go. Let's jump in under the sink so you guys can check it out. Underneath here, we've got our water pump switch, our gray water tank, that's 5 gallons, fire extinguisher, room for extra storage. And then you'll also see, if you can see it down there, is the electric hot water heater. So that's heating the water at the sink and also for the outdoor shower. So I want to show you guys a little bit more about the bench seat. We already talked about our swivel table here. Pull that out. We've got extruded aluminum framed bench seat with seat belts underneath that are actually bolted in. So you can bring a couple extra people. Just got to pull them out, sit down, click it, and you're ready to ride. So we've got a great storage cubby here just next to the bench seat. So pull down that slam latch, opens up, lots of extra storage. This would be a good place to keep any utensils, cooking items, even food storage right in your galley. We went with the SHIPLAP ceiling in this build, all stainless steel screws. You can see we've got 8 LED lights as well to keep it nice and bright. These are actually on a dimmer as well. Dim it up and down however you'd like. Another thing we added into the ceiling was some L-track mounting points. So this gives you some additional room to mount up things like snowboards, surfboards, or any longer items that you might want to bring with you. So we went with a max air fan over the bed with a remote control. So a lot of you are probably familiar with this fan. All you gotta do is point it, turn it on, and you're either bringing in or out air. We even covered these foam pillar pieces. A lot of times you'll see these just left open or uncovered. We actually finished those off with the fabric. It makes it really nice finished factory look. And we did that throughout with the walls as well, so really nice, turned out great. Let's do a quick rundown of the systems in this build. We opted to put the control center right here inside the wall panel. That way we could free up extra room up in the cabinetry. Starting, we've got a Victron Energy battery monitor. This is great. This is also Bluetooth enabled, so you can monitor it straight from your phone. Below that is your inverter charger remote. So this van actually has shore power as well as the inverter. So flip that on when you want to power your standard outlets. Below that is your under cabinet lighting on a dimmer, really nice. We've got a quick charge USB charger here. This has 3 outlets, so this is really nice. And above this is actually a timer switch for the electric hot water heater. So with our bed, we have a custom cut 6-inch memory foam mattress to fit the dimensions of this build. The memory foam mattresses we really like to use. They're great, super comfortable, and you can fit them in any space. Jumping right into the underbed storage area, garage area as we like to call it. We've got underbed LED lights. This is all finished with rubber coin mat, so it's really nice and durable, waterproof. We've got our electrical utilities on this side, all of our plumbing utilities on this side. You can see right here we've got our outdoor shower water pump switch, our mixer for hot and cold, our water fill, and then our water outlet, and then you can actually hang the nozzle right there. We've also got some L-track on both sides, so that's great to tie down stuff, secure anything you want. Really can store a bunch of stuff back here. With this build, we've actually got a lot of power. We've got a 3,000 watt Victron Energy inverter charger. We've got a DC to DC charge controller, so that way you can charge off the alternator when you're driving, solar charge controller, and then 300 amp hours of lithium batteries from Battleborn. On the driver's side utilities, we've got all our plumbing. We've got a 20-gallon freshwater wheel well water tank. It conforms around the wheel well, so it maximizes space and storage and amount of water. It's plumbed with hot and cold, going to both the sink and to the outdoor shower. We've also got these nice marine hatches on here to keep it nice, closed, and secure. So I want to quickly show you guys how to use the outdoor shower. These are stainless steel marine style quick disconnects for the water fill and for the shower nozzle. So all you gotta do is twist that, twist this in clockwise, turn on your water pump, hit the mixer, and your shower in. All right guys, that wraps up this latest van tour. Thanks for checking it out. If you want to learn more about Outpost Vans, hit the subscribe, give us a comment, let us know what you think of the build. You can also turn on notifications to get new videos of our latest builds, and follow us on Instagram at Outpost Vans.